Hey everybody, one of the things I always like to point out that makes UTI stand out a little bit different from other manufacturers is the relationships we have with OEMs like Roush Yates. They provide a lot of support for our power and performance. Down here you got the CUMMINS program. You can see CUMMINS guys in there. So we have a relationship with CUMMINS. These are not just us plastering company names around. These are actual relationships with these companies. And then we got other people who, they hire a lot of our students, so they get to be able to put stuff on our walls like HP tuners. We got the HVAC R program here now. So HVAC and refrigeration, there's these guys in here, have their own area and program. We have the GM program right here where you get actual factory accreditations and stuff. And then down the hall a little bit further is Ford. You can see down here at the end of the hallway, we got the Pennzoil Shell partnership. And then we are welding guys that work over here. So it's all over the place. You got all these different OEMs that support us and our students in our school, which you don't see a lot of other schools.